Today I received some parts for our classic Honda. Ooh, shiny. These mufflers were literally the cheapest that I can find anywhere online. But everybody knows that in order to get that classic Honda sound, you need to tune your mufflers. So let me show you how to do that. To tune your mufflers, the first thing you want to do is you want to put a straw inside of your muffler, just like this. And this is a secret. Only Honda owners out there know about this. And you know, they should be sharing this with everybody, because to get that classic Honda sound, you must do this process. So the first thing you want to do to tune your muffler is get a straw like this one. You're going to put it inside of your muffler about halfway, and you're going to hold it tight. Make sure it doesn't go inside your muffler. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to blow into your muffler until you hear a sound. So it should sound something like this. All right, if you heard that sound, then you're on the right track. The next thing you want to do is you want to keep blowing into this until you get the perfect tone that you want. So it should sound something like this. Just kidding. Honda sound good regardless.